I present to you Dan Ruiz. What a big loss, hey, to the college. But as Lynn said, God's probably got bigger plans for you. And no doubt you have, I've probably written enough of this stuff in the song I'm about to do, so I'm not going to talk anymore because I don't want to cry. This is not a sad moment. I produced this song. Does that sound right up the back there? Good. Did this song for you, brother. Thank you, and well done, all the best. Alright. I'll just get into it, shall we? It's called Sound of Assignments. I hope I play it well and you can enjoy it. Sit a bit forward, mate. I need to see the reaction. It's loud enough?
Yes.
Hello, Ruiz, my old friend. I've come to mentor you again. Oh, look, I need to start again because I just cocked that up. I can say that because I'm leaving. Sorry, I've got to get that out of my language because I'm on junior school next year. All right. Start again. Hello, Ruiz, my old friend. I've come to mentor you again. How things going on the junior school? Are you managing that year 6 tool? Does your vision meet the needs of the community? We'll wait and see and have you mark all those assignments. I remember you on prac. You had to always watch your back. All the mothers wanted to see you, but you did not request an interview. And Mrs. Mottram wanted it so standards met. How could I forget? You tutored her son in science. There was this one time when on camp, somehow your sleeping bag got damp, and your Spanish charms were so silky, could not be resisted by a certain Vilkie. What happens next still remains a mystery. You should teach chemistry. Start saving up for some diamonds. I remember you did me proud. I was cheering in the kickboxing crowd. Your sweaty body was so lean and tan, and the way to feel that 6-foot man reminded me of your classroom discipline strategies without the need